Ever wished you could enjoy fresh, bakery-quality bread without the hassle? The Breadman 2 pounds professional bread maker promises just that: consistent, delicious loaves right from your kitchen. With its advanced perfect bake technology, this machine ensures even baking for a uniform crust and rich flavor every time you press start. What sets this bread maker apart is its smart design. The collapsible kneading paddle folds down before baking, so you won't end up with holes in the bottom of your loaf. Plus, it offers 14 different baking functions, including gluten-free, low-carb, and artisan dough options. Whether you want a light, medium, or dark crust, or a 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaf, this machine adapts to your preferences effortlessly. It even features a fruit and nut dispenser that adds your extras at the perfect moment, so you get perfectly mixed ingredients without lifting a finger. I've personally tested this bread maker, and it's been a solid performer. While it's a bit louder than some models and occasionally emits unexpected beeps, these minor quirks don't overshadow the quality of bread it produces. My French bread loaf came out looking gorgeous, with a great crust and texture. The only thing I noticed was that some loaves collapsed slightly during rising, which might just mean adjusting the recipe a bit to get the perfect rise. The included recipe book with over 80 options makes experimenting easy and fun. If you're someone who loves fresh bread but wants a straightforward, reliable machine to do the hard work, the Breadman 2 pounds professional bread maker is worth a look. Its digital display and pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of baking, so you can enjoy homemade bread without the fuss. The delay bake timer means you can set it up in the morning and come home to warm, fresh bread in the evening. Ready to upgrade your baking routine? This bread maker combines convenience, versatility, and quality in one package. Try it when you're ready to bring bakery-style bread into your home kitchen with ease.